In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting. Let's keep this simple and straightforward so you can get your meeting up and running with confidence. First, open Zoom and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is your main dashboard where you can quickly start or join meetings. If you don't see it right away, look for the Home section along the top or side of the app. Once you're there, you're exactly where you need to be. Now, select New Meeting. The moment you click it, Zoom will start a meeting right away and bring you into the host view. You'll see your meeting window appear, and you're now live as the host. Don't worry, no one else is in the room yet until you share the link. This instant start is great for quick huddles, last-minute check-ins, or when you simply want to get things moving without any extra setup. As the meeting launches, a small window will open to let you set your input and output devices. Input refers to the microphone you'll speak into, and output refers to the speakers or headphones you'll use to hear others. Choose the microphone you want to use, whether that's your computer's built-in mic or an external one, and then pick your preferred speakers or headset so you can hear clearly. You can also choose your camera here if you plan to be on video. A dedicated headset often gives the best clarity and helps reduce background noise. If the sound isn't what you expect, simply switch to a different device from the same menu until it feels right. Take a second to position your camera at eye level and check your lighting so attendees can see you clearly. When you're ready to bring others in, go to the bottom of the meeting window and click Participants. Then select Invite. In the Invite panel, choose the option to copy the link. That link contains everything your attendees need to join with a single click. Paste it into your preferred communication channel, like a chat message or an email, and send it to the people you want in the meeting. Share it only with the intended audience to keep your session secure and focused. That's all you need to host a Zoom meeting from start to finish. Go to the Home tab, start a new meeting, confirm your audio and video devices in the Small Settings window, and invite others by copying and sharing the meeting link from the Participants panel. Keep Zoom open while people join, greet your attendees as they arrive, and you're ready to begin your conversation.